The corpus callosum. Underneath the neocortex is the corpus callosum, the pituitary, pineal, and thalamus glands. The corpus callosum holds all of the equipment together, like the workshop of the brain. It's an intricate, complex system of nerve fibers and communication lines. It is concerned with building, and when it finishes the model, it places it into the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is what encompasses both hemispheres of the brain and interprets the senses. This is the most important center, as it's responsible for bringing about observant reality. This is the magic and most important center of the brain, the sixth seal, the pineal system, which secretes hormones of information that allow passages to open. The pineal energy prepares the subconscious center, the lower cerebellum, to awaken and prepares the brain for the seventh seal. This then creates deeper levels of access to the subconscious and protects us from emotional demons with lofty and magnificent thought. The frontal lobe is where spirit creates and builds all the models with focused intent to become law. The more we develop this part of the brain, the greater the knowingness to transcend time. When you move a thought into the frontal lobe, you are in a hypnotic trance of no thinking. We discover a new dimension of patience, hypnotic ability, and a oneness in mind that holds itself in a timeless space.